Hello, today's topic is letter coding. In this type of questions, the letters of a certain word are arranged in different orders, which can be reverse order or fragmented order, in which first half of the word follows some other rule and the second part of the word follows some other rule of coding. Okay, now coding based on rearrangement of letters. In this type of coding, the letters of the original word are arranged in a particular manner to obtain the code. In this type of coding, the letters of the original word are rearranged in a particular manner to obtain the code. Okay. Now the first variant of this topic is when all the letters of the words written in reverse order. Now see one example to understand this topic more carefully. If in a certain code language the name Ramesh written as HSEMAR, okay, then how will create to be written in that language? How create to be written in that language? Okay, it is pretty much easy to answer, as we can see that in this word, that is HSEMAR, it is nothing but the reverse of Ramesh. Therefore, the create, the word create can be written in this language as ETAERC. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now, jump to the next variant of this topic, that is letters of the words divided into two parts, and then both the parts are written in reverse order, or the first part written in reverse order at the place of second part, and second part is written in reverse order at the place of first part. So for this topic we are going to discuss some different situations. So let's jump to the first situation, which is when the number of letters of the word is even. When the number of letters of the word is even. Okay, let's see one example to understand this more carefully. Example: suppose in a certain language the word threat is written as RH double T A E. Okay, then how will purely purely be written in that code? Purely, how can how will purely be written in that code? Okay, to answer this question, first of all, we have to give numbers to each of the words, that is their position numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and as we can see that the word threat can be written as HRHTTAE in a certain language. Therefore, it is 3, 2, 1 and then 6, 5, 4. As we can see a pattern that if we divide the word from between, the number 1 to 3 is written here in reverse order, that is 3 to 1, and the number 4, 5, 6 is written reverse order, that is 6, 5, 4. Therefore, we can say that the word PEARLY can be written as AEPYLR. It is 3 to 1 and then 6, 5, 4. So this is our required answer. Now come to the next topic. The next topic is when the number of letters of the word is odd. When the number of letters of the word is odd, then what we can do? Let's see with an example. Suppose in a certain code language the word great is written as Greta, that is GREAT is written as GRETA. Okay, then how will fight be written in that code? Okay, as we can see that the word great is a word which has odd number of letters, that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We give number corresponding to their positions, and it is written as Greta, that is 1, 2, 3, then 5, 4. So here we can see one pattern that the last two digits are just reversed. Then we can write the word fight, F-I-G-H-T, in this manner. F-I-G-T-H. So this is the answer. Okay. Now come to the third topic, which is when letters of the word are divided into two or more groups. Word are divided into two or more groups, and then all or some particular groups are written in reverse order. Okay, let's see with an example. Suppose in a certain code language the word sector is written as ESCTOR. Then how will mother be written in that code? Okay, first of all we give number to each of the letter, that is the position numbers in the word sector. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a 6-letter word and it is written as ESCTOR, that is 2 1 3 and 4 5 6. Okay, and then if we write the word mother, and give this word numbers, we can write this word in this particular language in this way. As we can see that in this word sector, there are two groups, that is 1 2 and 3 4 5 6, and we reverse just 1 2 and the 3 4 5 6 will be intact. Therefore we can write the word mother in this way, OMTHER, that is just reverse the first two words and leave the other words intact. So this is our answer, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.